to the sound here in my heart. The melody I start, but it can't complete. Listen, to the sound from deep within. There's only beginning, so far release. Oh, the time has come, so my dream is to be heard. Right next straight up a shadow. Oh, and it's a wall in case you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not going my home. I'm a try, give a silver mine. You should have ignored, 'cause you don't believe in you. You got sort of feeling I'm more than the whoop you made of me. I've fallen the voice that give a rain to me. You got a baby find my own, but I'd have alone if you want. If you turn and listen to the sound here in my heart, the melody I start, but I will complete. Oh, 'cause I don't believe in you. You got sort of feeling I'm more than a whoop you made of me. I fall in the voice that give a rain to me. You got a baby find my own, my own, my own, my own, my own. Gente, por favor, só perdoa. Quem estiver assistindo no futuro, né? No futuro talvez muito próximo, dá um oizinho, Jaqueline. Quem tiver, só me perdoa que eu tô com inflamação na garganta, mas eu não posso parar de cantar, por quê? Porque eu nasci pra cantar.
Porque é um dom nato.
Eu não me importo com a melodia, eu não me importo com a sinfonia. Eu canto por amor, eu canto por mim. Eu canto para ser um pássaro livre, tipo Cia, né? Já ouviu essa música?
Não.
Bird Set Free. Assiste, é boa pra caramba. Tchau.